Discover a living piece of Tennessee history sitting on 29 plus acres, where a Revolutionary War era homestead has been transformed into a luxury estate that blends 18th century craftsmanship with modern country living. This is Historic Maplebrook Farm, one of those rare properties where every structure, every beam, and every detail tells a story that spans more than 2 centuries. As you enter the property, the land immediately sets the tone. Wide open Tennessee countryside stretches in every direction, with rolling pasture, mature trees, and long views that create both privacy and presence. Nearly 30 acres of usable ground provide space for recreation, equestrian use, entertaining, or simply enjoying the quiet rhythm of rural life, all while being just minutes from I-65. At the center of the estate stands the main residence, a truly unique home built around the original 1791 homestead. Over 4,600 square feet of living space have been carefully designed to preserve historic materials while modern comfort. Original hand-hewn beams, reclaimed stone, and salvaged wood have been integrated directly into the structure, giving the home a sense of authenticity that cannot be replicated. Inside, the craftsmanship continues with herringbone wood floors, custom finishes, and architectural details that honor the home's heritage. The kitchen features a striking brass and copper vent hood, an old-world tile backsplash, and a layout designed for both everyday living and entertaining. The living room, designed by renowned builder Braxton Dixon, showcases a dramatic wall of glass that floods the space with natural light and frames the surrounding countryside like artwork. The estate also includes a secondary residence, offering over 2,000 square feet of additional living space. This home is perfect for guests, extended family, or rental potential, adding flexibility that enhances the property's long-term value. Outdoor living is just as impressive. A heated saltwater pool, gazebo, fire pit area, and fenced gathering spaces create a private resort-style setting right at home. Whether hosting gatherings or enjoying quiet evenings, the outdoor spaces are designed for year-round enjoyment.